So friends, welcome to my channel. If you guys facing this error in your Roblox and error occurred and Roblox cannot continue expected channel name when using channel use for empty value, so guys watch these solutions and watch these steps till end to solve the problem in your Roblox. First step is reinstall your Roblox, and the second step is check your internet connection and fix it before playing the Roblox games too. So this is the second step, and now going on the third step for solving the error in Roblox. Third step is clear all cache and browsing history. The third step is clear all cache and browsing history. So this is the third step to solve the error in your Roblox. Now going on the fourth step. The fourth step is update Roblox to the latest version. Update your Roblox to the latest version. So these four steps will be help you in solving the error problem in your Roblox. And if these steps is not working for you, so guys, you have to wait for some time, because this problem is faced by many users in the Roblox game, and it will automatically solved by Roblox game team. And if these steps is working for you, your problem will be solved. So guys, I hope you understand what I am saying. So guys, do like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.